MP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Dr. Syngkon ula Khlad kandit hannai kasngi palai ha Dr. H Cordons Robert Hospital Jayau hadin ke jing kempang kynsan ha kapor yelek kai football kat kum go kubor bayo le thu bau Dr. ula le yelek kai football bat laki jong ki parlok hannai ke janmit hamadan yelek kai football kabadon ha maulai mauyong le thu bau Dr. Syngkon ula kolon ha kapor ba yelek kai bat marmar ki parlok kil pengkit no yu sha mauyong community hall center ban yo jing sumar hanrei namar ka jing bomdon doktor lapan kendriak no marmar cha dok sha DRH Cordons Robert Hospital lai thu batang hadin kato kan nepor ki bor hospital kil pembana ba doktor ki ul Khlad no na kani ka perthai ha ka por kumba pra baje sabu ar minit menmin u sembut menteri rangba ba preston tensong bat kinong lambat MLA ke VPP kilai poilut krui sha ka tai ke hospital laban kedua hang ne bau Dr. Syngkon ulo job ya election MP kumu kertong ke VPP nda ka papelim ya MP ke kongres ba Winston H pala hadu lai pon nyulak vote house nam arajar arfu saw.
Consider paying compensation to the farmers, then the homestay operators, store operators whose livelihood have been greatly affected due to the unmindful dumping of debris along the streams, and this has affected the paddy fields. It has affected the water source of many people who have been living, through depending on these natural resources. And therefore, I would urge, or rather I would request the concerned minister to consider some kind of compensation to these people, and at the same time to take stern action against those involved in such unmindful and selfish act by contractors in the name of development. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.